Welcome back to Chris's beer reviews. Hope you're doing really well. It's Friday evening, it's the weekend finally, so it's got to be a Friday beer time. The one we're looking at today is called Viva la Beaver, and it's from the Belching Beaver Brewery, the Belching Beaver Brewery, based out in America, California, I think it is. But there's the can, the Belching Beaver, Viva la Viva, and this is a Mexican chocolate peanut butter stout. Pretty much the same on both sides of the can with just some writing down the sides. This one comes in at 7.5%. Everyone loves a beaver, don't they? We all love a beaver. So let's crack on. So peanut butter stout, Mexican chocolate peanut butter stout is what I should say. So let's get it out. See how she looks, how she sniffs, how she tastes. Looking forward to this one. I picked this one up from Trembling Madness, and how much was it? Oh, I can't remember. I only looked at the price list earlier, about 15 minutes ago, and I've forgotten. It's in the £4 region. Might have even been £3.80. Let's pop that on there for you. So, Viva la Beaver. Mexican chocolate peanut butter stout. Certainly jet black. Not seeing through that in any shape or form. Absolutely jet black, slight little tanned head on top that seems to be disappearing. So let's see how she sniffs. Oh, peanuts, 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 lots of peanuts. Oh, super peanutty. It really is super peanutty. It smells delicious. Lovely chocolate as well. There is a slight spiciness going on, but it's all glorious peanut and glorious chocolate. It smells absolutely fantastic. Let's crack on and see how she tastes. Cheers, everybody. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, that is an absolute cracker. Oh. Oh, the peanut element is really strong. Really strong peanut. It is quite smooth. I thought it might have been a bit smoother, but it is definitely smooth. And that, I can't explain the Mexican chocolate. It's got heat to it, and it just works really well with that peanut. It's very weird. The heat just kind of holds in your mouth. It's not offensive heat, it's not burning heat. It's like if you've eaten a chili, a really hot chili, and it's really dulled down over time, and you're just left with that slight warmth in your mouth that's really non-offensive and almost quite enjoyable. That's what it's like. And that peanut and that chocolate, it's more like, I know it says peanut butter, doesn't it? It's like a whole nut peanut butter. You get smooth and you get chunky and you get different types of nuts of peanut butter. This is like one of the organic whole nut peanut butter. It's really got that kind of organic-y peanut feel to it rather than just a generic smooth peanut butter. Really, really good. You get a little sweetness at the front, just as it turns into the peanut. The peanut rolls into the chocolate. The chocolate rolls into this little heat in your mouth. That's really delicious. That is absolutely delicious. I'm sure that was £3.80, or was it £4.50? I picked up. I just received an order a couple of days ago from Trembling Madness, and there was two Belching Beaver Brewery beers in there. I'm sure one was £3.80 and one was £4.50. Maybe this was the £4.50. I can't remember. But go and check it out anyway. Go and check it out. I highly recommend it. That really is an absolutely glorious stout. It's just great. It's absolutely great in the mouth. It's all good. Highly recommend it. Would I buy it again? Yes. Go and get it. House of Trembling Madness, check their website out. Fantastic stuff on their website. I'm all done. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Cheers.